Hey loves, it's Brianna. Click the thumbs up if you're ready for some extreme cleaning motivation today. I've been spring cleaning my bedrooms and bathrooms, so today you can clean with me and go through my spring cleaning checklist for my room, the kids' bedrooms, our master bath, and a quick KONMARI of my master closet, which let me know if I should list more things on my Poshmark or not, and we'll also be cleaning the kids' bathroom. So get ready to clean with me. Please make sure you click that red subscribe button if you're new here. I would love to have you join this community. First on my list is my daughter Presley's bedroom, and I'm going to do a top to bottom sort of cleaning routine in each space today. So I'm starting with a good vacuum of the blinds, followed by a dusting of the blinds, and I just spray my multi-surface cleaning spray right onto this duster. It's by xoxo, and I love that you can throw the duster head into the washer to clean it. But I'm using a peony scented multi-surface spray for Presley's room. It's a very soft and powdery smelling floral scent. It's so girly, perfect for a little girl's room, and I just love it for spring in general. And if you'd like to get a set of the peony or any of the other spring scents from Grove, I have a link in my description box where you can get them for free with any $20 purchase. It's a really great deal. Next, I'm vacuuming the rocker in Presley's room. I don't do this often, but it's part of my extra deep spring cleaning routine. Now I'm wiping everything down with that same peony multi-surface spray, and I'm making sure I'm also hitting the molding and the baseboards as part of this spring cleaning routine. On the other side of her room, I'm doing the same thing, hitting up the molding and baseboards with that multi-surface cleaner, also then taking off her sheets, dusting off her crib, and replacing her sheets with fresh ones. I think this summer we might be transitioning Presley to a toddler bed already, just because she's already begun potty training. So I think once I can get her fully trained, we will get a big girl bed. But let me know the age of your kiddos when they got their big kid beds, because I feel like she's just a little early compared to Landon, because we did not get his until he was already 3, and she's just going to be 2 in May. But I can't wait to do a little decor update in here when we get her new bedding. I'm not quite sure what I'll pick yet, but stay tuned for that this summer. Also, part of spring cleaning, I wiped down all of the doors and doorways with that multi-surface cleaning spray. I also vacuumed the sides of Presley's crib since they're that tufted fabric, just to suck up any dust that had collected on them. And finally, ending with a sweep of her room, my new Dyson vacuum. It's seriously so amazing. It has gotten me so motivated for cleaning this spring. I will link it in the description box for you in case you want to check that out. I could not recommend this more, because between being cordless, all the different fixtures for cleaning different things, it's just made spring cleaning, and even cleaning out my car. If you didn't see that last video, need some car cleaning motivation, check that one out, because it made it such a breeze. So here we are in Landon's bedroom, and I'm doing the same spring cleaning routine in his bedroom. First the blinds and windows, then a wipe down of the baseboards and his furniture. And in here, I'm using the mint multi-surface spray for his room instead. It's another one of those spring scents. It smells like a rain mint. It's very fresh. And I'm changing his bedding too. I also always wash all of the comforters as part of my spring cleaning routine, but I actually did that last week when I was doing a bunch of laundry, but just in case you want to add that to your spring cleaning checklist. I was so excited because Grove offered a Mrs. Meyer's set that included the room freshener spray in the mint and the peony. So I ended up getting both, and I loved spraying the mint in Landon's room and the peony in Pia's room because it just made it smell extra fresh and clean. And I will probably be spraying it every day just to have an extra clean boost of freshness. And this clean did take me pretty much all day. Adam helped watch Landon and Presley so I could clean their bedrooms in the morning. And I took a little lunch break, and then I worked on the bathroom and our master bedroom and master bathroom while they took their naps. So in the kids' bathroom, I'm using the Mint bathroom antibacterial spray in the sinks and in the tub, and then the Mint glass cleaner to wipe down the mirrors. And I used that same Mint multi-surface spray from Landon's room to wipe off the cupboards and the baseboards. So it smelled mint-tastic in here. Then for my toilets, I always use the Clorox wands. These were great. If you have not tried them, I would highly recommend these as well. And then I just wipe everything down with an antibacterial wipe. And I'm ending the kids' bathroom clean with a mop of the floors. Today I'm using the Spearmint Sage Squirt and Mop Cleaner, which smelled really nice and complimentary to all of the other mint scents. Now it's time to tackle my master bedroom, and again, my cleaning routine starts with all of the windows. I also am going to change my bed sheets today, and again, I washed my comforter last week as well, so that was already cleaned for spring. But I decided to vacuum my headboard with my new Dyson because again, I just love using it, but I'm so stupid. I got my twinkly lights stuck in the small attachment head. So I ended up putting the large one on that I used for vacuuming the floors, but it still did the job, but now I've got a project to fix the other one because they're completely tangled in it. Oh, I'm so mad at myself for doing that. Oh well, mistakes happen. But looking on the bright side, I love these pink sheets and pillows and throw that I got from Target for the spring. They really do help brighten up the room, and just pink makes me so happy. Now it is time to clean the master bathroom, starting with the jacuzzi tub. And if you're wondering how to clean a jetted tub, I love the Oh Yuck cleaner. You fill up the tub with hot water, pour in 4 ounces of the Oh Yuck, and I actually emptied my bottle on this clean, so I need to order more on Amazon. But you run the jets for 15 minutes and you will see how much gunk comes out. Oh my gosh, it is nasty, but it's also very satisfying at the same time. But I'm wiping down all of the tile and wood with the mint multi-surface spray in here while the tub fills up. Next, wiping down my cabinets, mirrors, and countertops. Now for my shower stall. I don't know if anybody else has a tile shower stall that you have a very good method for cleaning yours, but for this clean, I wet the tile down, sprayed bleach all over the shower stall, and then I sprinkled the lavender surface scrub powder all over this. And I let it sit for a bit while I cleaned the windows and the toilet and some other stuff around the bathroom. And as you can see, the Oh Yuck was done running through the jets and all that gunk in the tub. So gross. But again, I would highly recommend this for cleaning your jetted tub. It is awesome. And for the toilet in my master, they actually came out with a coconut scented Clorox toilet wand, and it did smell pretty good. So this is my first time trying it, but I did like that too. Also doing the same wipe down of all the doors and baseboards as part of that cleaning routine in here. Now back to the shower stall. I'm using my Clorox rotating scrubbing wand. You just charge this, you plug it in before you use it, and scrubbing down the shower. I've got to say the mold buildup was definitely gone, so I think bleach just might be the way I need to go. I really try to use natural cleaning products, but I think for the mold that can just build up in a shower stall like this on the tiles, this just might be what I've got to do, but let me know your thoughts if you have a better alternative. And now to finish cleaning the jacuzzi tub, I'm going to use that same rotating scrubbing wand, do an extra scrub around the jets with the lavender tub and tile cleaning spray, and then I'll rinse out the entire tub, Give it a good wipe down once everything's drained, because there can still be some of those flecks from the oh yuck gunk sticking to the sides of the tub. And then I do a final rinse once I've wiped everything out. Then to finish off the spring cleaning routine in the bathroom, I'm vacuuming all of the floor mats and then mopping the floors. Finally, we are in my master closet, and I decided to do another quick KONMARI purge and see if there was anything else I could clear out of this closet, because I really do believe physical clutter turns into mental clutter. So if there's anything I'm kind of pulling out here that you want me to add to my Poshmark closet, please let me know. But I hope you enjoyed this spring clean with me of my bedrooms and bathrooms, and that it gives you some cleaning motivation so that your home can be nice and clean for spring 2019. Click the thumbs up if you liked this video, share it with a friend who might enjoy this video too. And don't forget to check out some of my new spring apparel on my Etsy shop. I'll have a link in my description box, and I really appreciate all of your support. Just a reminder, pre-orders for May delivery must be made by April 15th, tax day, so make sure you get your order in. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to check out the videos here on your screen until my next one. Bye, loves.